Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a memory spread for the week of November 26th through December 2nd, and I'm using this June mystery kit from Scribble Prints Co. I thought that this would be a great kit. It's very like girl boss work, girl at work, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's very like work oriented, and I thought that that would be good for this week because I felt like myself again at work. I felt very motivated, very like, I don't know. I was going through a slump in the middle of the semester. It just got really busy and I got overwhelmed. And now I feel like a little more focused and I'm ready to tackle the second semester. So this week was when I kind of turned everything around. So that's why I'm using this kit. And it's black and white. And I love black and white and neutrals. So let me show you the kit itself. So we have the full boxes here. This is the old format of the mystery kit, by the way. We have some half boxes, quarter boxes, little things, headers. We have some sidebar stuff, some little icons, checklists. I'm going to save those habit trackers because those are awesome. Some flags and labels. And then the deco is so small and cute, really adorable. And then movie marquee, some canceled stickers, weekend banner, and the bottom washi, which I think is so cool looking. It looks like, I don't know. I love it. It's so cool. And then the glitter sampler. I think the color that I'm drawn to is this one, but I think I might go for this gray or this one. I don't know. One of these two is going to be the gray that I pick. And then I also have the munchkins. This is also not in the new format, but that's so cute. Okay, so there's that. And then let me show you before I get started. Let me show you the spread in my everyday planner, my coil. Last year and the year before, my black coil was fine. And for some reason, this year's is just like chipping everywhere. All right, so this is in my everyday planner. So cute. I love it so much. This kit is from Two Little Bees, and it turned out so beautiful. And I love this spread so much. So I'm just going to put this off to the side to reference. I usually write myself some notes, and I didn't this time. So that's going to be interesting. I'm just going to try to remember as best I can because I've gotten busy and I've put off memory planning for too long. So let's get started. So I'm starting off with this bottom washi, and it's really bold and cool, and I like the interest that it brings like down to the bottom of the spread. And then I'm trying to decide which glitter header color I wanted to use, and I decided on the light gray. So I'm putting those all the way across the top. And I won't be using date covers with this spread. I'm going to use deco instead. I just think it's kind of fun to throw that in sometimes. And I'm just putting down those little flags. And then here's the deco. So I'm just laying it down, the bigger pieces, and then I will start to add in the smaller pieces. And then whatever overhangs the paper, I will go ahead and clip that off. And it just kind of gives a cool effect. And some of them, like that white pen right there, I saved part of it and used it elsewhere just because it was kind of a unique shape of a sticker, and it kind of filled in some space over there. Here's the weekend banner. And then in the sidebar, I decided for my quote box area to pull in the stack of books and then a little fancy label with the This Week header and a piece of deco. And I will come back and finish the sidebar in a moment, but I'm going ahead and filling in some of Monday. So I pulled in a thumbnail of my video that went up that day. And then I wrote at the top with a munchkin about how I feel like myself at work this week. And I was more focused and motivated during our team meeting, which we always have Monday mornings. I felt like our principal was too. Gangs back together. So the past couple of weeks, I've been kind of struggling at work with like my confidence and just kind of like being motivated to do a good job. I always do a good job, but I had a motivation problem. So I felt much better this week. And then I just pulled in another munchkin underneath that full box to mark that I did a HIIT workout, which was my first HIIT workout in a while, and it was painful, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And then at the top of Tuesday, I pulled in a deco piece of the little MacBook, and I put my optional training went so well this day and the others too. So I had these little optional trainings for the teachers, and I actually had a lot of people come, and we got a lot of work done, and it was very encouraging, and I just kind of needed that boost. And then below that, I marked on a label, well, a quarter box, about how I started my wellness journal that day. So I'm trying to keep better track just to see kind of what's causing my migraines and just some other health things that I want to just kind of put some information together and find some trends. And then I also put on the bottom that I ordered some more journals and a TN. I don't know what's going on with my life, but that's where we're at. And I have a couple of quotes about like in your 30s, and then this really cute graphic about planners. Planner piece does not exist. And then I pulled in that Fox and Pip girl just to put beside that funny tweet. And then on Wednesday, I put that I observed an ARD, which is a meeting for special ed students, and it was a rather difficult one. I thought it was going to be worse, but it was actually pretty informative and interesting, so it was a good experience for my internship. And then at the bottom, I marked with a Fox and Pip girl on a half box that I had a much needed self-care night. And above that, I marked that I ordered tons of Christmas gifts. So we got out our Christmas gifts our Christmas lists that week. And so I just decided to go crazy and order a bunch of things just to get a head start. I like to have it all done early, just so I'm not like stressed about it. And that shopping girl is from Paper Princess, which her shop has been closed for a very long time, so I don't know if it'll be opening again or not. And then on Thursday, I started with a full box and with that not appropriate for work shirt, but I like her outfit. I wish I could pull that off. And then below that, I have this little graphic from one of my favorite like Instagram accounts, and it says, "This Christmas, instead of giving gifts, I'm giving everyone my opinions." So I've been feeling a little feisty this week, and I put that it's not that I hate Christmas or the holidays, but I'm just not feeling it yet. The season brings up a lot of feelings of loss, stress, regrets. This year will be different though, so I feel like I have a really good mindset going into the holidays. It's just like I gotta ease into it. I'm sure a lot of you feel that way too. So on Friday, I marked that we had our open enrollment for insurance, which underneath that I put that, why do they have to make everything so confusing? It's so complicated, and I don't understand why it's so complicated. But luckily we have a lady who, like our business manager, who walks us through everything. And then below that, I put a picture of kind of a close-up of my tree, and I had forgotten about these ornaments, so I put a little note. When I put my tree up, I found these, and I've just been looking at them because they're like in my line of sight, and they're so cute. It's a handprint from last year of my nephew, and then his first Christmas. There's a picture of him like in a little frame ornament, and it's just so cute. And then on Saturday, I'm just marked that I had a chill morning, and it just consisted basically of a YouTube binge, and I wasted a lot of time, so I used a half box for that. And then below that, I put lots of planning and catching up. Oh, I'm still filling. Okay, so at the bottom, I marked that I binged the Lizzie Bennett Diaries, which is an old YouTube series, and I watched it way, way back when it came out, which was like, I don't know, 2011, 12, 13, somewhere over there. And I had forgotten how much I loved it, and it was a walk down memory lane. So that weekend, I just binged. It took me longer than the weekend, but I did binge that. I just kind of played it in the background, and it was lovely. I love all Jane Austen. I'm actually rereading Sense and Sensibility right now, and I'm going back and forth between the graphic novel, which I love, and the actual book. So I try to do that at least once a year with one of the books. And then on Sunday, I just have a few things about the winter blues. Officially hit Must Take Care of Me. And then it's just like I think Sunday, it wasn't a bad day. It was just, I felt it. Like it was heavy. On my sidebar, I put in a half box for my favorite moment, which was buying presents for my friends and family. I love doing that so much. I always go over budget, and I don't feel bad about it. So above that, I put, I was definitely feeling my seasonal depression, but I have a plan to better cope this year. Eating well, exercising, journaling, taking breaks, and caring for me. And just making that a priority. So it's important. Take care of yourself this holiday season. And I think that is everything for this spread. So here is the finished spread, and I really love how this turned out. I love all of the black and white. There are some pops of color in here with the pictures and stuff, but it doesn't bother me at all. I really, really like this. It's just kind of like a fun kit. I'm usually not super into the glitter, but it totally works with this, and it's pretty. I love it. So this was a good week. It ended well, even though it had some struggles, as usual, but it did end with a plan, which is what is important. So I think that is everything for this video. Yes, it is. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!